All right, guys, welcome back. We're still not charged yet, but it did dawn on me. I can look at this power supply or this solar generator, whatever, and tell how many watts this panel is putting out. And right now it is putting out 25 watts. I can play with it and get a little more, but yeah, I got 26 there. I also have 200 watts of solar on the van. I have one panel mounted flat on the roof, and I have one out here on a stand that I can tilt and move around as the sun moves. And I will tell you, I'm getting less than 50% out of those. I'm getting 86 to 90 watts out of the 200 watts of solar on the van. I'm getting 26 watts out of this, and this is just a 40-watt panel. So it's a little over 50% I'm drawing out of this. 50% of the advertised 40 watts. So all in all, it's about equal to everything else. You'll never get the rated watts out of a solar panel. That's under ideal conditions in a laboratory most likely. But I would say this is doing everything it's supposed to do.